In today's video, I'll show you how to create new tasks in Notion using WhatsApp. This method lets you turn simple WhatsApp messages into organized tasks inside Notion, so you can manage your work faster and more easily. First, open Notion and log into your account. If you're new to Notion, you can quickly sign up and create your workspace by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're inside, create a simple task database where your tasks will be stored. You can add columns like task name, notes, or status, depending on how you want to organize your work. Next, make sure WhatsApp is ready on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, download it and sign in. Then open WhatsApp Web on your computer and link your phone by scanning the QR code. This allows you to access your WhatsApp messages from your computer while working with Notion. Now we need to connect Notion and WhatsApp using an automation tool. Since Notion doesn't directly connect with WhatsApp, you'll need a service like Zapier or a similar automation platform. After signing into the automation tool, create a new automation. Select Notion as one of the apps and choose a trigger such as creating or updating a database item. Then connect your Notion account and allow the required permissions. Next, select WhatsApp as the second app and choose the action. You can set it so that a message sent through WhatsApp creates a new task in your Notion database. Follow the setup steps and connect your WhatsApp account if required. Once everything is connected, map the WhatsApp message text to the task title or description in Notion. Save the automation and turn it on. Now, whenever you send a message through WhatsApp, it can automatically appear as a new task in Notion. This makes it easy to capture ideas and tasks without manually opening Notion every time. And that's how you create new tasks in Notion using WhatsApp. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.